Word?
Word.
In the garage now? What are we doing today?
Connecting hoses and wires.
Yeah, hoses and wires?
Yep.
Cool. This thing looks almost done.
Yeah, almost.
Sweet. So hoses and wires, we got a diagram right here, right?
Yeah.
Cool. You should have diagrams somewhere in your car. If it's not there, check the manual, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Going in. Alright. Makes life easier when you can just sit inside your engine.
Right.
PCV valve. There's one there. One there. Cool.
What are we doing?
Putting the fuel rail on.
Putting the fuel rail on? Alright. It's this sucker right here, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Cool. And got the injectors already plugged into it?
Yep.
Cool. Alright.
So, it's got these little spacers that you gotta put on first.
Spacers? What do they look like?
Just old black.
Okay.
Go in these 4 holes.
Alright.
And fuel injector. Fuel rail. There's 4 holes in the intake manifold. You gotta line those up with the injectors. Cool. There we go.
Sweet.
And my bolts.
Bolts. Bolted in.
Need to get like a nice, fancy looking one. Got everything else painted.
Oh, yeah.
It's all disgusting and old. Yep, 12 millimeter.
12 millimeter for the fuel rail.
Don't tighten it too much, but make sure it's tight. So the spacers are only plastic.
That would suck.
Yeah.
Now, we are fucked.
Cool.
Cool.
Now we got this little guy that's attached to the fuel rail. Goes there, and then this hose plugs back here.
Okay, so that's plugging straight into the intake manifold.
Yeah. Word. 10 millimeter. That's it.
That's it.
Fuel rail's on.
Super simple. So let's get rid of the rest of the plugs.
Yeah, I gotta plug some stuff in.
Plug 10.
Yep.
Cool. So we got this ugly ass bad boy right here.
Yeah, this
Electricity
big
coming
giant thing.
Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah, it looks fun, doesn't it?
It's like tentacle porn.
ここですか?
Dose. This guy goes in here. These are my coil packs. This guy goes under there. Couple more up here.
I just gotta plug everything up top.
Yeah. Plugs everywhere.
Right.
This one has a plug underneath that comes up. I'll get that later. That's the sound of one.
Sweet. So you connect the throttle?
Yeah, throttle cable. There's a little bracket that part of it clips into, and then you just twist the throttle around so you can get the cable into this hole. And then it's good to go.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yep.
Pulls down and then opens
Yeah,
up the throttle.
just, it's on a spring, so.
Cool.
Yeah.
Alright.
Is that Orion? Ah, shit. Alright, did you find that wire?
Yeah, I found where that top wire comes from down here. And then it mounts up there on that little bracket. You got it?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Oh, sweet, yeah. Oh, it connects right here too?
Yep. That little
Connects.
hole.
Yeah, that's the one we were missing.
Yep.
Let's put that on here. Alright. Cool.
Cool.
Yeah. Good.
What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. Make sure if you liked the video, click like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. And we'll see you next week. Mills Garage. Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below, share the video, and we'll see you next time.